Ever wondered how to cook the perfect rice? The kind that's fluffy, non-sticky, and absolutely delicious? Rice, a staple food in many global cuisines, demands a mastery that's often underestimated. Well, fear not. We're about to break it down for you in simple steps. First things first, gather your tools and ingredients. All you need is a cup of rice, 2 cups of water, a pinch of salt, and a pot with a tight-fitting lid. This 2-to-1 ratio of water to rice ensures that our grains cook perfectly, without turning mushy or staying hard. That pot and its lid, they're key to trapping steam, which does the actual cooking. So, a tight lid means well-cooked rice. Remember, the simpler, the better. No need for fancy gadgets or ingredients here. Now, onto the cooking process. Pour your rice into the pot, add in your water and your pinch of salt. It's time to turn up the heat and bring this concoction to a bubbling boil, a lively dance of heat and steam. Once it's at a rolling boil, we're going to dial it back down, transforming the wild dance into a gentle simmer. Now this is crucial, folks. Cover the pot. No peeking under the lid, no lifting it, not even a smidgen. The rice is doing its magic, steaming and absorbing all that water. Patience is key. After about 18 minutes, it's time to turn off the heat, but hold your horses. Don't lift that lid just yet. Leave the pot covered for another 5 minutes to let the rice steam, then fluff it up with a fork and serve. Voila! Perfectly cooked rice, fluffy and ready to complement any dish. So what did we learn? Well, we've gone through the essentials of cooking rice. Assembling ingredients and tools, adding rice, water, and salt to the pot, simmering, boiling, and steaming, and finally fluffing for serving. With these steps, you're now well equipped to serve up a pot of perfect rice. So, go ahead, get cooking, and impress your friends and family with your new skill.